How to download Blender on PC for free. I know a lot of you guys would like to render 3D images on your PC for free, so in this video I'm going to teach you how you can do that. How to download Blender on PC for free. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser and you want to type in gd7please.blogspot.com/2025/11/bl.html and you want to hit enter. Once the site loads, you want to press on Blender download and it's going to redirect you to Blender's website. From here, you want to press on download Blender and it's going to start downloading Blender. How to download Blender on PC 2025. Once Blender is done installing, this is what you're going to see on your computer. You're going to press on it and it's going to start installing on your computer. Here you just want to press next again, and you want to press on install and Blender is going to start installing on your computer. How to download Blender on PC Windows 11. As you can see, Blender is now installed and running on my computer. So that's it for the video, guys. That's how you download Blender on your computer 2025. So if you have any questions, join the Discord down in the description. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.